Hello and welcome to STEM Saturdays with TCC's Educational Talent Search Program. My name is Sabrina Stewart. I'm the program director, and today we'll be getting to do some science at home. You're at home and getting to watch me on YouTube as we do a project together. You're going to be needing the Geodes kit that was in your school supply kit and STEM kits that many of y'all picked up last week or we delivered to some of you. So go ahead and get that kit out, and you're also going to need a hammer. So go find a hammer and your Geodes kit, and then we'll get started. Okay, now we have our kit. Let's see what's in here. There's a really handy booklet. You want to keep this handy. There's lots of scientific information in here about geodes that you're going to want to know about. There's safety goggles, a little magnifying glass, and then your geodes. You're probably thinking, well, geodes, what are those? They look like rocks, Miss Stewart. You're right, they are rocks, but they're a special type of rock. The definition is actually inside your book, but they're a rounded rock in which crystals have been able to grow in the hollow space on the inside. So they're very interesting. These geodes are cool because they're a part of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, science. And when you hold them, you're actually holding science and time. Because the cool thing about these geodes is that it can take thousands of years for the water and materials to form into the crystals that you're going to see. So that's pretty amazing. Okay, so I have my first geode out and ready. I'm putting mine on top of this bag to try to keep some of the dust in. You might want to do this outside, or you might want to do this in an area where you put some newspaper down first, but get yourself a clear space. So you're going to take your safety goggles. You're going to put those on. We believe in science and safety around here. So hold on 1 minute. Okay. And magnifying glass is going to be for later, and then hopefully you have your hammer. Okay, one interesting fact before we get started, you might be saying, I think I see these all over the place. I saw this outside my house. Well, you didn't see it, geo. You might have saw a regular rock. Geodes are actually in the United States most commonly found in Indiana, Iowa, Missouri, Western Illinois, Kentucky, and Utah. So that's where you're mostly going to find them in the United States. This is live, so we're going to just see how this goes. And the great thing is you should have 3 or 4 in there. So we'll see how this one goes, and I'll show you one I did earlier. Last tip, if you do not have a hammer, you can put your geode in a sock and then take it outside and hit it one good time, maybe twice on the pavement, and it should crack open. Okay, I'm going to pull it back a little bit and see how this goes. Oh, okay. Let me readjust it. Whoa. Okay, so it's coming slowly, but let me show you. There's a piece of it right there, but let me try another side of it. Let me try this. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, okay, so that one's not breaking as cleanly, but let me show you the other one that I did. And this is what science is all about. Science is about trying things. Sometimes you make a mess, but you try again. Look how gorgeous that is. I don't know if you're able to see that. It is beautiful. It's glittering, kind of clear crystals, and you would have never expected that inside a plain old rock. This one I think has some of the same. I just haven't gotten down to it yet, but it cracked, just like that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that is what you're going to be doing. Now it's up to you. So you've got to watch me so you see it does make a mess. I'm not kidding, so give yourself some space. But now I want you to take that hammer or put your geodes in a sock and go ahead and break them open and see what beauty you see on the inside. Then you can either take pictures, if you like to take a picture. I have another one here that I could try. You can take pictures of you with your geodes, or you could write a description about your geodes. So here's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna try one more. This one's a little smaller, so let's see how it goes. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Anyway, that one went all over the place. But yeah, that's kind of this. That's another one with the super clear crystals in it. Whoa. Okay, I have really enjoyed this. Y'all are gonna love this. So now, to wrap things up, First of all, you're a scientist today, okay? That's what you just did. We're doing natural earth science right here. I love it. We have a survey monkey that has 3 simple questions for you about your experiment. I'll put the link to it below this YouTube video. So go to your survey monkey, fill out the questions, and then that's how you will be able to get your $10 e-gift card to cover the cost of lunch or dinner for participating with us in our virtual science and answering a few questions. Thank you so much. Have a great day.